Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm here in the Doug and Nikki Amazon studio, which might not be big enough for this product that I need to unbox and demonstrate for you. We here in the Doug and Nikki household have cut the cord and we no longer have any dumb TVs. So I'm replacing dumb TVs with smart TVs. Everything is wireless, nothing else to it. So I actually have one of these already so I can speak to the quality, but this is the second one that we are getting, and this is the TCL 43-inch 4 series TV. So this is a 4K ultra high TV, smart functions, built-in Roku, built-in all the other kind of normal streaming services. You can download ones that aren't in there already. The quality on this is outstanding for its price point. I think the best thing to do is cut it open, pull it out, set it up. I'll show you what it looks like. The only thing I could show you and not get a copyright strike is the Doug and Nikki YouTube channel, because I own that and I can't copyright strike myself. So in any case, let's unbox it, set it up. I will show you what it looks like and I will give it a Doug score from 1 to 5. It's a little silly because I already have one of these, so I know what the score is, but you're gonna have to wait till the end to see what that is. Let's check it out and then we can get on with it. That looks like, if you wanna know, where you have USB, where you have USB, a network cable, 3 HDMIs, a conventional cable connection, a speaker connection, and an audio out optical connection, all in the back. Okay, here it is. This is the image. This is Doug and Nikki in 4K and Wadi Rum. Yes, that is us, and this is our YouTube channel. If you want to go check it out, search it out for Doug and Nikki. But this is what you can expect from this TV. It is amazing. Like I said, we already have one. We got another. My only complaint with this TV will be this clicker is particularly junky. Like the Samsung product is definitely like a lot nicer, a lot smoother, a lot more developed, their clicker in particular, but there's a lot of value here because it doesn't cost as much, and for like the family room where this is going, it is perfect. I will give it a thumbs up, and I will give it a Doug score of 4 out of 5 because of the clicker is not my favorite, but in any case, enjoy this TV, get it for yourself, get it for a gift, whatever you want, and we will see you next time.